Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java project which is entitled as Identity Based Privacy Preserving Remote Data Integrity Checking with Designated Verifier. So let's see what are the things that has been given in the form of disadvantages as well as the advantages. So as a disadvantage that the verifier cannot gain a knowledge on about the data as of the privacy protection has been done, so that some of the things which cannot be achieved is the privacy protection issue as well as safety of schemes which has been proposed in this process, so that we can make into advantage as of we are going to given protection for that in the form of unique verifier with the owner requirement, as well as the data position will be checked through that verifier process, and also the information will be stored in the cloud so the user can access through it. So let us see the architecture of this process. So in this architecture you can see that there will be four modules which are data owner, KGC which is a key generation center, and designated verifier CSP. So through this we can see through that what are the identity private key as well as the auditing request result as well as the protection with the challenge proof of data flow. So let's see through that the project so that we can know that what are the protection which has been done through that project. So once you have gone through the project means at the time check with that whether the database is correct or not as well as the has been inserted. So here you can see that here you can see the home page of your project which containing the four modules which are data owner, KGC, and designated verifier as well as the CSP. So at first we need to sign up. If you are new user means you can sign up, or else if you have been already a old user means you can log in with the mail ID and password. Once you have login means you can see that upload file. There only you need to upload your file, whether it is a doc file or else a text file with the information needs to be done. So you're going to be uploading a file and selecting a file and uploading it. While uploading itself, the information will be encrypted using the algorithms, that is a cryptography algorithm. Once the uploading has been done, you can check with that view file where it has been stored as well as the file name and its size. And in data owner list, if any member has been the sign up means you can see him what's the information about the data owner. So next is for a data owner. Already a user means you can log in with that email ID and password and then log in, and you can see that as a data owner you can see the uploaded file which has been done by the KGC, but you can't access it. To access that information, so the data owner needs to be give a request, so that in send request you need to request for that file to access that information what is it in that file. So request has been sent. Once the request has been sent means, so data owner will log out. Then in designated verifier is the one, designator is the one who needs to verify that process is a verifier. So he will view the file, what are the file which has been uploaded by the KGC as well as the request which has been came. So who are all the data owners that has been requested and what file. He will check it with the file name, size, and who's the person and why you will accept it. And you can also check the data owner list as well as the KGC list who are all been registered. Once this process has been done, data owner can log in while logged in he can go for the download. So in that download you can see that a secret key which has been generated. So using that secret key, the data owner can download that file by manually entering the key, so that you can know that after download you can see through that what is the information that has been given by the KGC, so that you can know the information, as well as the information has been secured by this way, and what are all the process that has been verification as well as the process authentication has been given means first is cryptography, that is encryption. Finally the decryption process will be done through key, and in between that authentication process acceptance will be given to the verifier.